Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial about IlovePDF, which is a very powerful online tool that allows you to split, compress, convert, retake, you name it. It's all about PDFs. In today's video, we're going to try out two of its main functions, which are merge PDF and split PDF. We're going to start off with the first, which is merge PDF. Here we can select PDF files from our files folder, or we can drop them right here directly from the desktop, or we can select them from Google Drive or Dropbox. I am going to drop them here from the desktop as I have them there. And we are going to get these two files, which I'm gonna merge later. All right, now that we have our two files, we can decide the order of the pages. This file is only 2 pages long, but of course you can do this with bigger files. Right here we have our pages in the correct order, and just in case you have a bigger file, you can order files by name, which is extremely useful. We can drag and drop the files to change the order, and then we can proceed to merge the PDF. We can save it, of course, on our computer, our desktop. Then we can decide if we want to save it on Google Drive as well, or generate a link to share, save to Dropbox, or delete this file immediately. That's all for merging the files. The other functionality that I wanted to explain in this video is splitting PDFs, because it is slightly more complicated. Now we are going to select another file, which I have prepared on the desktop. It's this one right here. And right here we have a few things we can do with these files. We can decide to have a range of files which we want to export. We can customize our ranges, or we can use fixed ones. The first option allows us to, I don't know, just export from page 2 to 4 in one single package, and then adding another range which goes from 5 to 8. And then we can also export the first page completely by itself. We can just split the PDF immediately, but we have other things we can do with this PDF. We can split into page ranges of one page, so it will generate 8 different PDF files. We can split page ranges of like 2 pages each, so it will export 4 PDF and so on. We can decide to extract all the pages so that 8 PDF files are created, or we can select the pages we want to extract. For example, we can decide to export just pages 1 and 4, so that we'll create 2 PDF files if they are separated by a comma. Then, if I want to decide to export also from 6 to 8, it will create 5 PDF files because all the pages will be exported by themselves. We can also decide to sort and export the PDF files by their size, and we can allow compression as well. We can decide, of course, the maximum size for the file. And right now we can just export the first ranges we created without any problems. All right, we can download the split PDF, which is a compressed folder. All right, now all we have to do is decompressing, extracting everything. All right. All right, here are our PDF files. These are everything we worked with. All the files are there. The pages are all the same, but exported differently. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.